Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ileana Gascon. I'm from Mexico originally, but I also have Spanish nationality. Right now I live in Spain, and I accepted an invitation. So I came in the Swat area, the Swat Valley, that is one of the most wonderful places in the world. And I want to thank you especially to the police department in Swat because they have been very professional. They have been all the time taking good care of me, and also because everybody knows that in the past there were some problems in the area. So right now they are just making sure that everything remains in peace and everybody is free and happy.
Okay, you tell SWAT police is hospitality or not?
Yes, of course. They are the best. They are very professional, sweet, and always willing to help.
Okay.
They are always willing to be there if we need anything.
Okay, so you tell me how about your message, all European Union, all European people.
Well,
coming
I
in
really invite everybody in Europe to come to visit Pakistan. I know that there is always a bad publicity because in some countries we have had problems and wars in the past, but just that is the past. And I think everybody deserves to enjoy the beauty of the people, especially the people. It's always they have landscape, amazing views,